If you ever worry that maybe you've missed the boat and it's a little bit too late to make some decent money online, then I've got some really good news for you in this video. You see, since the age of 17, I've been chasing different ways to make money and I've done all sorts of things. But I recently came across something that has completely changed my outlook on how to make money online. Now, I've been teaching people how to make money online for the last 10 years plus. And over that time, I've taught them all different ways to make money. But there's something very different about what I'm about to show you in this video. And it's something that is so refreshing because it means that it levels the playing field and absolutely anybody can get incredible results with this. On Christmas Eve, I worked quite late and I wasn't intending to do this, but I'd got to the point where I was nearly there and I thought just a little bit longer and I can open the doors on this. Now, what I was opening the doors to was my brand new Skool community. And I've been working on this for quite some time, but I wanted to get it to the point where I could actually open the doors. I had people literally queuing up to come in and I could see that just another hour's work and I'd be there. I finally went to bed at 1:20 in the morning, having opened the doors on that Skool community. And when I woke up Christmas Day, it was like the best Christmas present ever because I had over 100 members in that new Skool community. And since then, in just over a month, I've grown that community to over 800 members. So what is a Skool community? It's a place where people who share the same interests and goals and ambitions can hang out and also learn the thing that they're interested in. And you can charge people a monthly subscription for the training that you give them inside that community. And you can make a lot of money doing this. Now, inside my community, I've been teaching people how to create a consistent and reliable recurring income, something that you can scale to the point where you literally can 100% can quit your job and just use this as your main source of income. And you can do that by sharing information and knowledge that you may already have. So if there's something that you're passionate about or interested in, then believe it or not, you can make money doing what you love. And that is one of the real beauties of this. Now, in a second, we're going to go over into the Skool platform. And I'm going to show you some of the communities where people are making incredible amounts of money and also where people are making decent amounts of money that aren't incredible, but how they're doing it is pretty incredible. So I'm going to show you in this video how you can actually get started for free. And then once your free trial is up, it's just $9 a month to run your business. And this is a business that can actually bring in a serious amount of money. Now, I'm not going to give you any old fanny here. This is straight talking from fact. And the thing about Skool is it is very transparent. So you can actually look and see what's going on and who's doing what and who's earning what. And they also have Skool games where you can see the revenue that different Skool communities are bringing in. But let me tell you this, it's not unusual to be earning $10,000, $20,000, $30,000 per month. $50,000 per month, $100,000 per month has been achieved by many people. Some communities have gone on to make over $200,000 per month, $300,000 per month, 400, and even one community, the guy was doing over $500,000 per month teaching something that he loves teaching. It's an insane amount of money, but it is actually achievable. Now, look, don't get me wrong. I'm not saying that you're going to go and make $500,000 a month, obviously, not straight out the gate. But what I'm saying to you is this is an incredible opportunity. I've taught all different ways to make money, and I've taught thousands of people to do that. But when I discovered this, I knew things were about to change. So let's go inside. Now I'm going to show you through some of the communities that are already on Skool. And this is a page that I would definitely recommend that you check out yourself. You can get to this page by going to skool.com/discovery. And here you're going to find all the top schools at the moment on the platform. And although you can't get an exact figure on how much they're making, and I'll go through that in a second, you will get a very good idea. But this is also going to give you some really good ideas as to what you might want to do. So, for example, we're on hobbies at the moment, and number one in hobbies is calligraphy school. Now, the reason that I said that you can't always see exactly what they're making is because if we take this one, for example, it says it's got 1.1K members, so 1,100 members at $9 per month. But what we don't know is if they started out as a free community or if they started out at a lower price. But if we take as a rough guide the 1,100 and we times that by 9, we get $9,900. So just under 10,000 per month. Now, sometimes the communities also have more than one tier. So they would be charging for a premium tier maybe and a VIP tier. And if you wanted to find that out for yourself, all you need to do is go to the community itself and at the end, just type /plans to see if they have a tiered section set up. So if I open this in a new tab, it's very easy to see because we'll go to the About page, which is the sales page for all of the communities on Skool. The About page is their sales page. So all we need to do is where it says About, if we just swap that out for plans, then we can see if they've got tiers. Now in this instance, they haven't. So another thing that you can do if you want to have a little snoop is if you go to the actual owners and their profile, you can see if they have more than one. Now in this instance, they don't. They just have the Calligraphy Skool at $9 per month. But if, for example, we went to Barbecue Nation, which is just $1 a month and has 2,500 members and a free trial, if we do the same there and we type in plans, you'll see that they've got the standard $1 a month, then they've got premium at $9 per month, and then VIP at $29 per month. So depending on your experience and what you feel you can comfortably teach, there are lots of things that you can do. You might not be an ex-Netflix actor or a current Netflix actor, but this one, for example, 185 members at $199 per month, that's approximately $36,815 per month in recurring revenue. You might be into photography. This is Photography Academy Prime. It's got 699 members, currently at $47 per month. So that's about $32,853 if everybody is at the $47 level. But what we can say is, whatever level they're at, this particular community is making a serious amount of money. Now, you might be a teacher or you may have something that you can teach. And this community teaches people how to prepare for GCSE exams in the UK. This community has 592 members at $48 per month. So we're looking at about 28,416 there. But this community is on the tiered section. So it's actually $48 a month for the standard, and then premium is $74 and VIP is $265. So you can see how all of this adds up to a substantial amount of money very quickly. Another very interesting place to come to get an idea of what's working and what's growing and what's making a serious amount of money is to come to the Games tab on Skoolers. Now, if you decide to start your own community, and you can start that with a hobby plan, which is you can get a free trial and it's just $9 per month. When you start that, you'll automatically get access to Skoolers, and there's some really good training in here. I'm going to show you that in a second, but first of all, I just wanted to show you the games. So we're on all here, which means that we're scrolling through all the different categories. So let's just take a look at down the bottom. We've got relationships top 5. What this means here is that the monthly recurring growth is the figure in blue, and the figure in light grey is how much they're doing per month so far. Now you can go through and you can check out the person and the group. You can get loads of information, and that is what makes this so transparent. So let's take a look here, and we can see that Samantha is number 3, and that's not because it's not about how much she's doing in total, it's about her growth. All right, the monthly recurring growth in this quarter of the games period. All right, so this current quarter starts January 5th and ends March 28th. So in that quarter, it's how much they add on. So if we take a look at this then, and we go through, we can open up Samantha's profile. We can see how active she is, and in fact she's not actually that active, which is surprising. So she's not actually been on Skool for the last 3 days, and she's got 491 members at $97, possibly, as we said before. But we can go through and we can click on this and we can see, are there any plans? No, if it goes back to the About, then there aren't any plans. So we don't know what she started at. We could possibly try to find out if we wanted to be, if we were really curious, because we could go over to the socials and see if anything was shown on this, of the growth of the Skool community as she was going ahead and building that. So we can go to videos, we can see the latest, and we would just be looking for anything that shows. It looks like what this is where she's getting the traffic from for her Skool community. And probably if we click on this, then this is going to have one of the links going through to her Skool community. So we can see here she's got join the next chapter, and if you click on that, it goes through to her about page. It does give you a really good insight into what can be done and what kind of communities are working and what kind of money can be made. In sports, for example, we've got the Bulletproof Cycling Club. That's currently doing $47,972 per month. And we've got Oscar Patel, Oscar's community, is doing $217,000 per month and has grown another $819 per month in the last 7 days. Let's go and take a look at Oscar's profile. So Oscar is active most days, 5.6 thousand members at $39. Let's go and take a look at his community. And what's it about? Everyone wants to look better, feel better, and become the best version of themselves. Before and after transformations. All right, okay, interesting. So now I guess I should show you my community and show you that I'm qualified to teach this kind of stuff. So as I said, I started this on Christmas Eve. I'm now up to 883 members, 25 of which are online at the moment. Now this little online here, just one thing to point out, that's how many are online on Skool, not necessarily in somebody's Skool community at that particular moment. So it doesn't mean that all 25 are in my community. It means that 25 of my members are online in Skool. So if I wanted to chat to them, this would be a good time because I know that they're online. So looking through here, this is the community feed, and you can see, you know, there's a lot of activity here, and my members are also posting, which is really good, obviously. And then we've got the classroom, and inside the classroom, we've got the live replays of all the calls that we've done so far. And we have the rest of the classroom is the training. So Start Here, you get all of this for free in Start Here. If you want to come along and join, there's a link below this video to do that. It would cost you nothing. So you get all of this in here, completely free. So this would give you an introduction into Skool and how to find something that you can actually generate a passive income from, how to find a problem that you can solve, a pain that you can relieve, an itch that you can scratch, something that you enjoy teaching, and how you can then turn that into your own Skool community, and you can make a lot of money, as you've seen. We also have the calendar where all of the live calls are scheduled, and then if we go onto the map, we can see where people are in the world who are members of my community, and you can do this on any of the communities on Skool, so it gives you a good feel of where people are. I've got a nice scattering all over the world. And a nice testimonial here from one of my members, Addy, who said, shout out to Trevor. A big thank you at Trevor Carr for showing real leadership, for your friendly approach and your advice. Thank you for doing this with love and real care. It separates you from the rest. I think that's beautiful. It really is. So thanks, Addy. And my members just piled in, and I've got this kind of animated GIF that I like to do. I want to make one of me doing this, but this is me either farting or pooing hearts. I think it's probably going to be farting when I do it, farting hearts. But yeah, some really, really lovely messages in here from the members in my community, and that makes all of this so much more worthwhile. Now remember, if you wanted to start your own community, I told you could get in for free, and then you could actually run your business for $9 per month. On the hobby plan, at just $9 per month, you get everything aside from a custom URL, hiding the suggested community. So what that means is if you've got a hobby community, then Skool will advertise other communities on your community feed, and then also advanced analytics will be missing. But it's a good place to start. And then if you want to take things to the next level, upgrade to Pro, and you're only going to pay 2.9% transaction fees, which is lowest actually out of all of these, as you can see, by quite a lot. So the pricing is super, super low. I'll put a link below this video for you to just go straight in and try Skool for free. And I'll also put a link below this video for you to join my Victoriable program for free. And then you can start the training then. If you decide that you want to get yourself a hobby plan or a pro plan, you can do that from within there as well. Now, I mentioned in Skoolers, the classroom. If you come to the classroom, you go through to Skool 101. This training here will give you a really good feel as to what Skool is all about. Also in here, we've got the Skool News. This is delivered once a week and is really worth a look. It just gives you an update on what's going on in Skool and who's doing what, who's achieving what, and the latest on the Skool games and all that kind of stuff. Okay guys, so look, you can join my community, Victoriable, completely free. You can come in, you can get access to the complete phase 1 training, and you can hang out in the community and ask questions all for free. So there's absolutely nothing to lose. But once you get in there, if you like what you see, and you want to take it a step further, you can upgrade at the moment for just $27 per month. Super, super cheap. It's on a founder members discount basis, and that gets you access to me every single week on the live calls where I'll take a look at the ideas that you've got, what you're doing, the progress that you're making, and I'll literally pull you through and force you to make money and get success. You'd also get access to all of the training inside the premium members area. So there's a lot of reasons why it makes sense to upgrade. But there's actually one other thing that you could consider that could make all the difference, and that is that you can come in for free and then you can tell other people about this community. And if they then join and upgrade, you get 40% recurring commissions on what they spend for life. So that's a great way for you to start making money without doing anything. You just, instead of creating your own community, you just promote mine. But if you want to learn how to create your own community, then Victorable is the way to do it. So go ahead, click on the link below this video, click on join group, and I will let you in. Now, look, if I'm asleep, you might have to wait a little while, but if I'm awake, I'll let you in as soon as I see that request come in. Go and do that now, and I will literally see you on the inside. All the best.